Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can sell print on demand on Etsy using MyDesigns. This is a tutorial step by step, and first remind you that in the description of the video I have several links that can help you in your online journey. First of all, we can click here in login or get a start for free if you don't have account. In my case, I have account. For that, I only need to log in. If you don't know how you create account, it's very simple. You only need to put your names and your email address, and that's it. It's basically all. Hey guys, remember that although the app is free, you have a limit to upload documents. The limit is 2 gigabytes. Remember that because, for example, some pictures are really heavy, and if you upload like 10 pictures in high quality, the 2 gigabyte is not enough for you. Obviously, you can change that, but for that you need money. You have other options. You only need to click here and upgrade your plan. And for example, here, if you can see, you have other plan. For example, this is a plan for $30 per month. With these plans, you can upload more images, and you don't have the limit of 2 gigabytes. Well, now we go to click on here and listing. If you don't have nothing in this page, for example, empty listing, you only need to upload some pictures or your resource. For example, I go to upload some files. You only need to put here in drag and drop files. You can drop and drag basically, or you only click on here and search in your computer. Where I put this of three, for example, the cat, this, and this, basically. You only need to put in upload all and upload designs. That takes like 3 minutes. If you unload some files and that files are not available, you need to click here in Discord. And that's it, basically. Check here, for example. I upload the images and say 3 megabytes or 2 gigabytes. Keep that in mind because, for example, if you upload a lot of images, trust me, you are going in trouble. You can change that only with upgrade your plan, but this tutorial is for free, and I can upgrade the plan. And when you upload the images, for example, you can have this, and you have some options. For example, you can click on it, and all actions, you can change the color, put a trademark, and that's it. For example, our vector images, you need money for that. For example, that credits, you can buy it, but with money, real money. We can see here the plans. For example, for 155 credits, it's $5. For $10, these credits. For 460 credits, $60, sorry. For example, for $1,050, for $2,100, I suggest you something. For example, you can buy it, but for example, vectorized images, in the channel we have a tutorial, and that you can do that basically free. In the channel we have a tutorial. I suggest you to see it because it's really important and really informative. Other things, for example, here in all the actions, for example, we have this video mockups and images mockups. I click here in images mockups because, for example, the image, it's from basically that. It's an online product. It's take like 2 minutes charging. Don't be afraid for that. For example, you can see it. Here, you see the cat in the black shirt. You can shade the t-shirt, for example. Here is a hoodie. The speed will depend on your internet. For example, here you can see the hoodie. There are more products. For example, and let me see. This t-shirt in a person. If, for example, you like this, you only need to click here in generate mockups, and basically that's it. When this loads, I will show you. Well, here you only put, well, it's really beautiful. I like that. For example, now I can click here in generate mockups, confirm and require, and we can see basically it's processing. I repeat, they take a time. It's depend on your internet. For example, here is complete. You can see we have one mockup. For these things looks more professional, you need to put one mockup here, other mockup here, other mockup here. Basically, that needs to be full of mockups. And for example, after that, you can click here again in all actions. You can edit the bulk, you can move to collections, you can export, or that things I want, for example, is publish listings. In publish listings, we put here in digital. For example, this feature is only available for paid users, but you can publish with products. And here you select the platform. We have Etsy, we select the title, the description, the text, and the price. And obviously here the store, if you have it. Well, but now you may ask, how do we feel that? Well, it's simple. Here in Etsy, you can select one product. Product can be one of your rivals. And well, you go to this page and you see, for example, Millionaire Front Guide, inclusive universal front writer, but ChatGPT is not required for use. You can put, for example, a description. In the description, obviously, a title for your mockup. For example, primary word, keywords, secondary keyword, and other things. For example, in tags, you need to put the correct tags. And the price, well, you decide the price, basically. For example, after this, you can only need to click here in pick a product. And product, you only need to advance to partner. After that, in mockups, if you listen to me in the tutorial, I said you need to fill that of mockup. After that, you select the pricing and a preview. After that, you only click in publish and that's it. It's basically all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel. Bye.